So here we are for another round of Grill the Grid. I'm Sebastian Vettel, Scuderia Ferrari, and I would say let's get started with the questions. Can you name your first championship winning car? Well, it's RB6, I would say.
They were named after girls.
It wasn't Kate or Kate's dirty sister because that was 2009. Kinky Kylie. No, it was 2011. Give me an idea.
They had a chassis change in this season.
Randy Mandy. There you go. Monza 2008 was your first F1 win, but which drivers joined you on the podium? It was Heikki Kovalainen and Robert Kubica.
Very good.
How many years did Kimi race for McLaren? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 years? I would say 6 years.
No,
5 years?
5.
Can you name the 3 existing F1 world champions who were on the grid when Michael Schumacher made his debut? Well, Ayrton Senna, Alain Prost, and probably Piquet. Yeah, Nelson Piquet. How many race wins did you score at your first time at Red Bull? I think 38. Yeah. Only because at the last race they made a pit board with the amount of race wins, which was quite nice. How many victories did Michael Schumacher score in his Formula 1 career? 92. 91. I didn't say 92. 91.
Okay, I'll give you that.
What is the highest number of pole positions that Ferrari have scored in the season? 16? 15?
No, it was 12.
I thought they had more. Well, maybe we need to work on that in the future. With which team did Kimi make his F1 debut? Sauber.
Yes. Can you remember the year and the race?
Well, the race must have been Australia. It was the first race of the year. And it was then probably 2001. How many F1 World Championships have been won by German drivers? Well, 7 for Michael, 4 myself, which makes 11. That's it. You're a keen backgammon player, but how many points are there on a backgammon board? What do you mean by points?
The long triangles on each side of the board.
24. 24.
Well done, that's right.
That wasn't a Formula 1 question, was it? Yeah. So after the cheeky challenge of the backgammon board, I conclude that's it. And yeah, it was good to join you on this challenge, and hopefully I can do better next time. Thank you.